Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's open up our settings. From here, we will need to go into Device Care, tap on Storage, then choose SD card, or it looks like let's choose Advanced, there we go, and then SD card, and from here we have the option to format. Once you tap on it, it will give you a message that this SD card needs to be formatted before you can use it for some reason. Formatting will erase content on this SD card, so if there's anything on it that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, click on the Format SD card. The process will begin, and it's a fairly quick one, only takes like 5 seconds to 10. It should be right about done, there we go. So click on done and you're finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.